Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to reinstall a BlackBerry 10 software in just 10 steps. Step 1, go to this link. Link is in description. Step 2, after going to the link, go and click on BlackBerry Desktop Software.exe and download it. Just in case if you don't know how to download a file from Google Drive, hover your mouse onto it, then click on the download icon. I have already downloaded all the files. Step 3, open the downloaded file and on End User License Agreement and click Accept. Step 4, now go and select BlackBerry Blend, BlackBerry Link, and device drivers if not already selected, then click Install and wait for the installation to complete. I have also downloaded all the apps. Step 5, now go to the same link as before, link is in description. Step 6, click on Autoload STL1001 devalpha.exe file and download it. Downloading it may take while. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free on your drive. Step 7, connect your BlackBerry 10 phone. If you are not sure what is your phone model, then open the phone, remove the battery. The model should be below the battery written. If the model is like BlackBerry 10, BlackBerry Z10, or has the letter 10 in it, it is compatible. Step 8, open the Autoload STL1001 devalpha.exe file. If you are having trouble with the file, try running it as an administrator or re-download the file. Step 9, wait for the Autoload file to reinstall the software on your phone. Do not disconnect your phone. Step 10, wait for your phone to charge at least 30%, then set up the phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Enjoy!